Good morning once again for those who are interested in how I'm doing. For those who love Homeland and Simbi TV, this is second part. The first part was introducing Kinyarwanda about this. I introduced in English because we were mixed language. We try French, we try English, and we also use Kinyarwanda because I'm a content creator from Rwanda. That's why I mix language. But because I have many different audience from different nations, that is why I always try to mix the language for covering both audience, whatever they exist, America, Asia, Australia, and whatever human exists, and those who are about understand my language, which is like in Rwanda, English, and very little French. Sikiliza, mimi sisikiliza lugha la Kiswahili, lakini niko mwanafunzi wa lugha. Of course, I was telling people that this is how we create content, this is how we produce content, this is how we do our everything. I think the world should know that we suffer a lot, we spend money, we do everything, we try our best to be the best. Unfortunately, sometimes we miss support, sometimes we miss help of people. And I always take this video, I decide to take at least 12 episodes. That's I'm introduce people how content creator for out of the world suffer a lot, how to create content here in the world is too difficult. That's why I decided to do that, but with them of asking some support, with them of telling the world that please support content creator, but also to introduce content creators that it require enough effort, it require hard work, and sacrifice to do something like content. I am trying to divert camera because I don't wanna film the people because sometimes people don't love the camera. But this one I'm gonna be shot in the camera. She's a beautiful, I think she can resist it. Of course, I was telling you that to create content is too expensive. It requires hard work, sacrifice, and then I don't know what to say, I don't know what to add, but it's required. Look at that. So beautiful trees. Yes, it's too hard. So if you're a content creator, you need to take your time. You need to think twice. You need it to to do all the best, to be the best, cause without hard work, without your hard work, you can't do anything. Without your hard work, it's impossible. It is impossible for getting something. Why you don't have something to sacrifice. If you wanna be successful content creator, successful content is not to have many subscribers, it's not to have a perfect camera, it's not to have people who are interested in what we're doing. It is to have a focus, passion, and updating your people. This is I don't know, say maybe the station, fuel station maybe, and a garage. Fuel station and a garage where a car can be renewed and produced. That's how it is. People are started working and I start running the activities. So I'm going a job. Zirakaze. For me, I'm going at Nyamirambo, and I'm using feet. Where I'm going, where I'm going, where I'm going, at bus parking, Kimirongo. Look at that signpost. Sawi in Rwanda. Yeah, of course, I don't have enough money. Like I told you before, to be successful content creators, it requires power. It requires sacrifice. Look at that. Look at this that park there. I'm not expecting to enter in it. Actually, I have money for that bus, but I'm not willing to take it, as I'm expecting to use another money, my money in other projects. So, like I told you, everything you wanna do, it requires sacrifice. And then my sacrifice is to use feet instead of taking bus, and those money I should be using, but when taking bus, I will use them and buy internet. So that's how we suffer. That is how we suffer. This is full electricity, pure, and it have enough price. But I can even dream about Inter in it, because it requires work, my friend. Money that should be used there. Taking the bus, I will use them in buying food. I will use them in other stuff, which are necessary for my content creation going good. Everyone is walking faster than me, because I usually walk too fast than everyone here in that street. You see, right on the street is turned off. I turned it off. I'm very sorry. Yes. Actually, I am fast running in that street, because. But now I'm too tired, because I have a very heavy bag in my back. Very heavy bag in my bag. I have very heavy bag in my bag. So I'm trying to run very slow. Let me try to go on that side, because somebody's playing music, and I don't need something like a copyright sound on my channel. I'm trying to escape music always kill video, and I'm the one who experienced it. The most problem that faces content creator is copyright. Copyright is not good. Yeah, I'm too tired. I'm too